Guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, quick thank you to all the people who gave so much love to my previous videos, and because of you all, today I am back with amazing recipe of Pav Bhaji. So let's get started. I have taken green peppers or capsicum, then onion and some green beans. Make a special puree. For that I have taken some tomatoes, red chili flakes and some cashews. We're going to blend them all together in a jar with some water. Now in a large pan, I have taken generous amount of butter and we are going to add the onions in it. We're going to saute them until they get golden brownish color. Then we are going to add green peppers or capsicum. You're also going to add some salt on top so that it gets done quickly. And while they are being done, on one side of the pan, let's take a little bit butter and add our green beans to them. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we are going to add some of our puree paste. We are going to add it in 3 installments, so you guys can make some rough portion of it accordingly and mix everything together nicely. Let's add some cinnamon powder over here and some black pepper powder and the red chili pepper powder. Time to add second portion of the puree and mix it well. Now we are adding the mashed potatoes over here and mix it well. And after 5 minutes, we're going to add the remaining portion of our puree together. We can also add all the puree together, but that does not give the unique taste to the recipe. We are going to add some lemon juice here. Cover it with the lid and cook it on a medium to high flame. After 7 minutes, if the pav bhaji seems very dry to you, you can add a little bit water over there. Let's add some salt. Then of course, let's add some butter. And let's mash it all together. Time to add a bit more water. You can adjust the consistency as per your like. And once it's almost done, I have added the last batch of butter over here before serving. Time to add the garam masala and mix it well with some lemon. So now we are almost done with the bhaji. Let's make some tadka in the center. For that I have taken some butter, kasuri methi, hing and red chili pepper powder. Mix it well, and once done, let's make it with the overall bhaji. Time to take some paos, cut them from the center. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as well, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. We'll see you next time.